Hello, this is Craig with Follett Technical Service. Today we are going to clean a Follett 15 series ice and water dispenser. Before we begin, please be sure to use personal protective equipment. Follett recommends protective eyewear and gloves for this procedure. Also, remove power from the unit when appropriate. The tools and supplies we'll be using today are as follows: Safe Clean Plus ice machine cleaner, a 1 or 2 gallon bucket, a funnel, a brush or vacuum attachment, a Phillips head screwdriver. First, dispense all the ice out of the unit and discard. Then press and hold the maintenance clean switch until the wrench displays in the user interface to enter the maintenance mode. Unscrew and remove the chrome ice dispense chute. Then remove the drip tray. Unscrew the 2 screws located behind the drip tray. Lift and disengage the front panel. Remove the electrical connection and the water line connection at the back of the panel. Then set the panel aside. Remove the top cover, then remove the 2 screws securing the right panel and remove the panel. Next, lower the drain tube into the bucket. Remove the plug cap from the end of the drain tube and drain the water into the bucket. After the system has been drained of water, replace the plug cap in the drain tube and secure the tube in its holder. Remove the bin insulation and then remove the cap from the bin lid cover. Screw the bin lid cover onto the ice discharge chute. For the 15 series, mix 48 ounces of Safe Clean Plus liquid with 6 gallons of hot water. If you're working on a 7 series, mix 24 ounces of Safe Clean Plus liquid with 3 gallons of water. Your water should be approximately 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour Safe Clean Plus solution into the bin lid access spout until the solution reaches the spout neck. Allow Safe Clean Plus solution to remain in the unit for 15 minutes. While the machine is cleaning, clean the air-cooled condenser and submerge the ice dispense chute and drip tray in the remainder of the Safe Clean Plus solution for 2 minutes. Rinse clean with potable water. Drain the system by lowering the drain tube into the bucket. When the system is completely drained, secure the drain tube into the holder. Then fill and drain twice with potable water and secure the drain tube. Place a bucket under the dispense chute and remove the cap. Note that some Safe Clean Plus solution will remain and drain out when the cap is removed. Reposition the cap on the bin lid spout. Reinstall the side panel, top panel, front panel, and ice dispense chute and drip tray. Then press and hold the maintenance clean switch to exit the maintenance mode.